is how to create a fade text effect using the Image Blender app in Canva. Start by setting a solid color as your background. Download this background as a PNG file. Next, add a text heading to your page. Customize the text with a bold font style, increase its size, and set the color to white. Download this text layer as a separate PNG image. Now delete both the text and background color from your original design. Upload the two PNG images you just downloaded back onto your page. Place the image with the text on the bottom layer and adjust its size to fit the canvas. Next, go to the Apps section, search for the Image Blender app, and open it. Choose the Linear Blend mode. Then, adjust the control points and strength setting to create your desired fade effect. Once you are satisfied, click Save to apply the effect to your design.